What you got, baby? What's that you eating? Huh? Girl. How was I snoring last night? How was I snoring again, David? You sure that wasn't Nanny?
No, it wasn't no Nanny. Show how you were snoring. How she was snoring.
How was I snoring, David?
Take your gum out and show her.
How was I snoring? That's still for the baby, Morgan. I'm snoring so loud, the baby.
Ooh. How she snoring?
I know I don't snore. I know I don't snore. I know these people trying to blame me saying I snore. JB.
How she do it, Jaybreyon? Jaybreyon, how she do it? How she do it? Who was that snoring last night? Who did it? Who did it? Jaybreyon, no, who did it? Who did that? Was that Zay? Was that Zay snoring like that? Who was it?
Don't be pointing. Now I've been in the debate for years that I don't snore. Now the baby out of the mouth of babe. The baby done bought. Jaybreyon, one more time. One more time. How did I do? How I snore?
Who snoring like that? Hey, who did it? Who did it? Nanny? I'm gonna get you some. Who did it? Tell who did it. Tell who did it. Okay, I know you wasn't more. I know. Tell her who did it. Tell her who did that. That was Jaybreyon snoring like that.
Jaybreyon, you was snoring like that?
Who
yes,
did?
you was.
Yes, you was.
Who? Myrtle, I guess you win, Myrtle. You smell?
The mice.
What you say, Jaybreyon?
The mice.
How was I snoring? Do it one more time, Jaybreyon. Jaybreyon.
Come on, hold on. You hold on.
Hold on.
It. Here, if you want to come, do it again. Look, here. You want this? Do it. Tell her. How she do it? How she do it? How she do it?
James, I wasn't doing that. How's I doing? How's I sounding? Huh?